Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript Course Lecture 8. In this lecture, we will learn about Introduction to Node.js. Introduction to Node.js, setting up your Node.js environment, reading and writing files in Node.js. Introduction to NPM Node Package Manager, creating a simple server using Node.js. Conclusion. Introduction to Node.js. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build scalable network applications. It uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model that makes it lightweight and efficient. With Node.js, developers can write server-side code using JavaScript, which means they can use their existing skills to build fast, reliable, and scalable applications. One of the key features of Node.js is its ability to handle a large number of concurrent connections with minimal overhead. This makes it ideal for building real-time applications, such as chat applications, online gaming platforms, and social media sites. Additionally, Node.js has a vast ecosystem of modules and packages available through NPM Node Package Manager, which makes it easy to add functionality to your application. Setting up your Node.js environment. To set up your Node.js environment, you'll need to download and install Node.js on your system. You can download the latest version of Node.js from the official website and then follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once you've installed Node.js, you can test it by opening a command prompt or terminal window and typing node.v. This will display the version number of Node.js that you have installed. If you see a version number, then Node.js is installed correctly on your system. Reading and writing files in Node.js and Node.js. Reading and writing files is a common task that can be accomplished using the built-in fs module. To read a file, you can use the fs read file method, which takes in the file path as its first argument and a callback function as its second argument. The callback function takes to arguments an error object if there was an error, and the file data. To write to a file, you can use the fs write file method, which takes in the file path as its first argument, the data to write as its second argument, and a callback function as its third argument. The callback function takes one argument, an error object if there was an error. Introduction to NPM Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager, or NPM, is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of installing, managing, and sharing packages of code for Node.js development. With over 1 million packages available, NPM makes it easy to find and use pre-written code, instead of having to write everything from scratch. This not only saves time, but also promotes collaboration and helps to maintain consistency in code. Creating a simple server using Node.js. To create a simple server using Node.js, you first need to require the HTTP module. This module provides functionality for creating an HTTP server and handling incoming requests. Once you have required the HTTP module, you can create a server by calling the createserver method and passing in a callback function that will be executed every time a request is made to the server. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the power and versatility of Node.js. We explored how to set up our environment, read and write files, and create a simple server. We also discussed the importance of NPM and its role in Node.js development. Node.js is an incredibly powerful tool for developers of all levels. Its ability to handle large amounts of data and process requests quickly make it an ideal choice for building scalable applications. By using Node.js, developers can streamline their workflow and build applications faster than ever before.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.